They bring out all the emotions. Unconditional love, laughter, and they mean the world to us.
They're just so happy to see you. Like when you come home, they're just right there with the tails wagging and wanting to give kisses.
He just loves it here. He recognizes it from down the street, and it's just really welcoming for him.
I'm very happy, I'm very comfortable, I trust people here. They've done surgeries that have been very successful, so I know that it's, beyond just being nice people, they're very skilled at what they do.
They've always made us feel like we're part of the family. I could not ask for better care.